I'm Tom Banks, Kirkcaldy FC groundsman. We received some funding from the Football Foundation. We started off with a pitch maintenance fund, which allowed us to carry out works that we wouldn't normally be able to afford. And then we moved into the machinery grant fund, which has allowed us to purchase the tractor, the Wessex mower, and then the quadruplay as well.
My name's Derek Hack. I'm the groundsman for Wessex United FC. I now got this beautiful machinery beside me that we got through grants, and it's made life so much easier.
I'm Pete Hussey. I'm the Head of Facilities Operations for Hampshire FA. We've got some great packages set up through Hampshire FA that links in the kit that we've got behind us. So they've got set packages. We offer great discounts for the county of Hampshire FA.
After we purchased our Wessex, a few of the groundsmen from around the area had seen that we got new machinery and wanted to have a look at it because they were going down the Football Foundation funding route, and they came and had a look at the Wessex, and since then they've purchased the same machine.
£9 million it cost from funding partners like the Football Foundation and Eastern Borough Council that put, the main contributors to this incredible facility we're at. And it's a great balance between artificial pitches and the natural turf pitches we've got in front of you. What mower should we get? Here's Wessex. And without a doubt, I'd recommend it. We've got a great partnership.
Done in just under sort of 45 minutes, and the finish that it gives is second to none.
So yeah, without a doubt, I'd certainly sign off on Wessex as a way to go.